Those are blue, aren't they?
No, they're not.
What? Are you confused?
No, that's not even real.
It's not real.
It's not blue. What?
I confused them. Hey guys, welcome back to Big John TV. We've got a taste test video for you tonight. We are working on peppermint items now. Peppermint, fudge, white chocolate, eggnog. That's where we're going. That's what's in the stores now. Thanksgiving time, Christmas time coming up. So let's get to it. No more pumpkin spice.
No.
What do we have, Jamie?
Pop-Tarts.
These are not Pop-Tarts. Silly man. We have peppermint Twinkies tonight, guys. Peppermint Twinkies. We found these at Walmart.
Today.
Those are blue, aren't they?
No, they're not.
What? Are you confused?
No, that's not even real.
It's not real.
It's not blue. What?
I confused him. Say duh, Dad, clearly. He's like, what? Alright, here. Alright, let's see.
I'll taste it first.
You're going to taste it first? Alright, there's yours. Opened up. Let me get mine opened up. So these are super red. No. Really? Okay, Jamie's not a fan of the candy cane Twinkies. Peppermint Twinkies, sorry. I said peppermint like 5 times, did I not? Did I say peppermint?
I don't remember now, but he does hate peppermint. I forgot.
Oh, well, my bad.
I forgot I still hate them.
So these are limited edition peppermint cake with creamy filling. Clearly they're red. The frosting in the middle has actually got a red tinge to it too. I can't tell. The cake definitely is peppermint flavor. Don't spit any more out. Actually, I think the cream in the middle is normal white, but because there's so much red in there, that it's transferred over to the frosting as well.
Wait.
So it is just regular. What? It's not bad. You kind of overreacted the first time, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you did. This kid is a nut. These are good. If you're a fan of peppermint flavored items, these definitely work. These are good. These are really good Twinkies.
What?
Take a big bite.
I'm nuts.
You are. Alright, so I'm going to give it a solid thumbs up. These are good if you like peppermint flavor. If you don't like them, just keep on walking. But these definitely have the peppermint flavor. They're not lying to you.
I give it in the middle.
You give it in the middle. You give it a thumbs down for spitting it out and then a thumbs up because it tastes okay now, so you'll just go right in the middle with it. Makes total sense to me. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends.
Peace out.
Let us know if you find these in the store. If you try them, tell me what you think of them. And that's it. Catch you next time, guys. See you.
Bye. Bye.
Alright guys, we have plenty of Twinkie taste test videos for you to catch up on. Here's one right here. And another one right here.
Another one right there. And right there.